Hello, my name is Lina. I love English, but I had one big problem. I always forgot new words. I learned them in class, but the next day I forgot. I felt sad and sometimes I wanted to stop. One day I asked my teacher, "What can I do?" She said, "You can try new ways, just don't give up." When I was in my first English class, I felt very excited. I wanted to speak English well, but when the teacher gave us new words, I could not remember them. I looked at the words, I read them, but after one day they were gone from my mind. Where did the words go? I did not know. This made me feel weak. I asked myself, why can't I remember? Am I not smart? I talked to my friend. She said I have the same problem. So I knew I was not alone. That helped me feel better. I asked my teacher again, should I learn more words or review the old ones? She said, do both, but do it step by step. There is no need to rush. I started to think, what can help me? What should I do each day? I made a list of ideas. I thought I might try something fun. I wrote new words on small papers, I made cards, I drew pictures. I put the cards on the table, the wall, and the mirror. Every morning, when I brushed my teeth, I saw the words. I said them out loud. Then I tried to use the words. I asked myself, can I make one sentence? Can I use this word in real life? I tried to say, there is a cat on the sofa, or let's go to the park. When I said the words, I felt more sure. I was not perfect, but I was better. I also made a small notebook. In it I wrote, new word, meaning sentence. I looked at the notebook when I waited for the bus. I used my time. I did not wait for the perfect time. I just used the time I had. This helped a lot. One time I learned the word apple. I saw an apple at lunch. I said, that is an apple. The apple is red. I did not just see the fruit. I said the word. I used it. That day, I did not forget. I told myself, I can do this. I can remember words. I will try. I will not stop. This made me strong inside. Every day I asked, how many words did I learn? Did I use them today? These questions helped me grow. Then I did more. I used the new words in short sentences. For example, I learned the word happy. So I said, I am happy today. I also said she is happy with her dog. This made the words stay in my mind. I did this every day. I also listened to English songs. I did not understand all the words, but I liked the music. I heard some words many times. Later, I understood them. I even sang the songs. It was fun, and I learned without stress. Sometimes I wrote the song lyrics in my notebook. I wrote one line, then I tried to sing it. I asked, what does this line mean? Then I looked it up. That helped me understand the meaning and the grammar too. I did not learn everything, but I learned more each day. Another thing I did was read easy books. I chose books for kids. When I found a new word, I looked at the picture. I guessed the meaning. Then I checked the meaning in my notebook. I wrote the word, the meaning, and a sentence. I asked myself, can I use this word tomorrow? I tried to use it in a sentence when I talked to someone. Sometimes I watched English videos. I liked short stories or cartoon videos. They were easy to understand. When I heard new words, I paused the video. I asked, what does this mean? Then I wrote the word in my notebook. I repeated the word 5 times. I also tried to say the full sentence. I also talked to my mirror. Yes, it sounds funny, but it helped me. I stood in front of the mirror and said, hello, my name is Lina. I feel great today. I made up a small talk. I asked questions like, where do you go today? What do you eat? Then I answered them. I did this every day for 5 minutes. This practice helped me feel more confident. One day I went to the market with my mom. I saw apples, bananas, and milk. I said, look, there are apples. They are red. My mom smiled. She said, you learn fast. That made me happy. I said the names of things around me. This is how I used English in real life. I asked my teacher, what should I do if I forget again? She said, don't worry, just keep going. If you forget today, you will remember tomorrow. I also joined an English group online. Every week we met and talked. Sometimes I did not understand all the words, but I tried. I asked, can you say that again? What does that mean? The other learners helped me. We all wanted to learn. Practice is not hard. If you make it fun, you can sing, read, speak, and write. There are many ways. You just need to start. Do a little every day. Let's practice together. Now I have a small plan. Every morning, I read 5 new words. I speak them. I write one small story with them. At night, I read the story again. I do this every day. I also write a few sentences in my notebook. I write about my day. I use the words I learn. For example, I write, today I go to the market. I see apples. They are red. I like them. I do this to practice using the new words. Writing helps me remember. Sometimes I draw pictures next to the words. This helps me see the meaning. When I see the picture, I remember the word. I ask, what does this picture show? What word goes with it? This is fun and easy for me. In the evening, I sit in a quiet place. I read my sentences out loud. I try to say them slowly and clearly. I ask, do I say it well? Do I feel sure when I speak? I also record my voice. Then I listen. I ask, what can I do better? When I go outside, I try to look for words I know. I say them in my mind. I see a dog, I say, there's a dog. It is big. It runs fast. This is how I think in English. I do not translate. I just speak in my mind. I also try to ask questions in English. When I see my friend, I say, what did you eat today? Where did you go? These are simple questions, but they help me speak more. My friends answer, and I learn from them too. I sometimes use a timer. I say, let's speak English for 10 minutes. I speak without stopping. If I forget a word, I use easy words to explain. I say, it is like a big car. or it is a kind of fruit. This keeps the conversation going. I also like to watch short English videos at night. I choose easy ones. After I watch, I talk to myself. I say, what did I learn? What new words did I hear? I write them down and try to use them the next day. I remember one night I did not want to practice. I was tired, but I said, let's do just 5 minutes. So I read a short story and wrote 2 sentences. It was a small step, but I felt proud. Even small steps help. Now I remember more words. I feel happy when I speak. I still make mistakes, but I do not stop. I know I can learn, I can grow. I just need time and practice. What about you? Do you have a routine? What helps you remember new words? Try something simple. Start with one thing. You will see progress. If you forget new words, don't worry. You can do it too. Practice every day. Use the words. Listen, read, and speak. Little by little, you will remember more. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Let's learn English together.